As BMPs doesn't have much armor, a strike from an FPV drone with a shape-charged warhead can hit the BMP anywhere to effectively penetrate, most often resulting in the BMP getting destroyed. As even the more protected BMP-3 still has this problem, storing larger amounts of ammunition inside can pose a major threat. But as this BMP-3 was ignoring this fact, as the Ukrainian drone hit the front section, the ammunition inside caught fire, leading to several smaller explosions before all of the remaining ammunition detonated, tossing the BMP's part in different directions, not leaving much left, reducing one more of Russia's equipment, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.